Disclaimer. Now, I don't endorse snitching, but if you're a snitch, then I highly recommend you live your life by these rules.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So Tekashi back home. Everybody know that. You know what I'm saying? So you got some people on the side of the fence like,
he's mad, she's mad, big sad, ha ha, don't care.
While other niggas over here like,
they see me and get excited. Two-step, spin around, slow fly, pilot.
So the question is it a good thing that he back? This is for all snitches. 3 simple rules to live by. Number 1, if you gon' snitch, you don't get out and make a rap video laughing at the niggas that you just snitched on.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh?
2, you don't talk about the same gangster shit that you just snitched on other gangster motherfuckers for doing.
Now we catch him at the chicken spot, up a couple chops, pop that nigga with 100 shots, da 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 da.
And number 3, learn how to stay low key. Tekashi 6ix9ine violated all 3 right out the gate. Right out the gate. Rule number 1. 6ix9ine get out and he goes and drops a video laughing, making fun of the whole situation about these niggas that he done locked up. Now remember, bruh, you locked up a lot of them, but you ain't get the whole gang. You ain't get the whole gang. I understand that, yeah, you wasn't a gangster guy from the start, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody get, humble beginnings. But when you put niggas away for 20 years plus, bruh, that ain't something that you just rub in people's face. People want you dead. Now, rule number 2. Don't get out rapping about the whole gangster shit that you just put niggas away on. Alright, so let's keep it 100. Let's keep it all 100. Yes, Tekashi was involved with a lot of that gangster shit while he was in that gang. Treyway!
Now we catch him at the chicken spot, up a couple chops, pop that nigga with 100 shots, da 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 da.
You know? So, he called some shots, he made some moves. I saw that little video where he was at the airport fighting this shit. I know y'all seen that, right? You know, it was viral. He went out there and he was swinging and shit. You know what I'm saying? Doing his thing. Rainbow hair flying everywhere. I'm thinking, oh shit, somebody go pick up them Skittles. You know, it's still good. 3-second rule.
He's mad, she's mad, big sad, ha ha, don't care.
So, I know he little man get down a little bit, but you both turn over a new leaf, bruh. He don't do no gangster shit to them niggas who deserved it. But he just tell the feds about the gangster shit that he did with them. And then goes out and comes back, laughs at them in the song, and then in the song talks about doing some more gangster shit about shooting up a nigga at a chicken spot. I want y'all to think about that. So, and rule number 3. Learn how to stay low key. My sources tell me that this nigga had to move twice already since the nigga been out. Bruh, you can have your cars. Ain't nobody mad if you having the cars, nigga. But don't park them where you hiding.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh?
Everybody see a rainbow color ass car coming down the street, parking in front of a rainbow color ass house with a sprinkle headed motherfucker hopping out that bitch and walking in. Or the nigga on house arrest, but what would you need all your cars there for right now anyway? You on house arrest. I don't know. 6ix9ine tripping. So my estimate is it ain't gonna be long before somebody catch this nigga. Either the feds that he working with gonna catch his ass up on some other shit, or the niggas that he laughing at gonna catch him slipping. Only time will tell. But Live by these 3 rules as a snitch, and you will have no problem. So I need y'all to smash my comment section below. Let me know what y'all think finna happen to Tekashi. Like, for real, I need some real honest answers. Like, I wanna know. That's 2 rules of snitching, man. Y'all have a good day.